At BauTeam, we design kitchens meant to be felt as much as seen. Imagine walking into a space where light pours through the windows. Warm textures surround you. And every surface feels crafted just for you. That's what our North Shore clients discovered. What was once a damaged kitchen became a place of comfort, beauty, and joy. With sleek cabinetry, natural wood finishes, and a bold stone island, we shaped a room that invites you to pause, breathe, and savor the moment. It's more than design, it's stepping into a better version of home and of life itself.